Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how to properly iron your bustier. This is a bustier, and have it in mind that apart from getting the right cutting, contouring and all that, you need to know how to iron it in order for it to have the standing effect. So if this is what you're interested in, then let's go. Okay, first of all, there is something called tailors ham. You see the one I'm making use of? That's the bigger one. There is a smaller one. Maybe later I'm going to show you guys that one. So, what you're going to do first of all, you get your tailors ham. After that, you see you place your bustier the way I placed it on it. If it's a smaller one, you do the same thing. Then you open it up. You open it up the way I did. Sprinkle your water on it. If you are using um a steam iron, you don't need to sprinkle water on it. I'm not using a steam iron, so that was why I sprinkled water on it. So you open it up and iron it. You see that place, the way you opened it up is very very necessary, because most people think it's not necessary, it's not needed, but it's very very necessary. So as you iron, you open it, sprinkle your water if you're not making use of steam iron. You see, you iron it open, just the way I'm doing it. That's why when you are sewing your bustier, that when you're joining the front and the side together, you make sure it's up to half inches. Sorry, half an inch. It's up to half an inch, so that when you are opening it, just like I'm doing to iron it, you will be able to see what to open. Like, I don't know if you understand me. If you had sewn like if what you had used in joining the fronts, that the center front and the front, the side front is not up to half an inch, you won't be able to open it up this way to iron. Okay, so this is how to iron your bustier. You see what I'm doing? You see the way I've opened it flat and iron it out. It helps it to have the standing effect, as long as you did your contouring very well. Okay, so just look at it. You do it on both sides. This is one part of the one side. You also do the same thing on the second side. Just see the way I'm doing it. You take your time and do it very well. Okay, so just open it up like this. You sprinkle your water. That's if you're not making use of steam iron. If you're making use of steam iron, you know you don't need to sprinkle water. Okay, after that, you iron it out. This is just the front. Sorry, this is just the inner part of it. That's the wrong side of the bustier. You're still going to do same thing to the right side. So you see the way it's looking. I see the way it's looking. It's coming out fine. Just look at it. You're seeing the standing effect on it already. Isn't it beautiful? So you see, you turn it to the right side. Okay, so this is the right side. It's already standing. It's already looking fine. So we're going to place it on the tailor's arm again. See, make sure that center, that place you already opened, is at that edge. Okay, then you sprinkle your water. See the way I'm putting it. Okay, please, if you can't get this particular one I'm making use of, you can get the other one. Later I'm going to show you guys the other tailor's ham. You see this particular one, good thing about this stuff I'm making use of is that it is not just for bustier. You can also use it to iron. Yeah, you can use it to iron your trouser, your skirts, those edges. It's mainly for edges. Okay, it's not just for the bustier. You can use it to iron your trouser, that's your pants, your skirt, your gown, those edges where you shaping. Okay, so this is the one I have. If you don't have this, or if you can't afford this, you get the smaller, the main tailor's ham. That's the smaller one. Okay, so just like we did to the wrong side, it's the same thing we are doing to the right side. Okay, so It's already coming out fine. You do it to both sides. Don't say, I've already done the inside side. I don't need to do the outer part again. No. The same thing you did to the inner part, you did to the outside. That's the right side of the bustier. So this is it. You make sure your iron is hot. Okay. So it's very simple. The good thing about it is that it helps to give it that standing effect after you must have done after you are done sewing and all that. Okay. Okay, so this is it. We are almost done. Okay, so we are done with that. So let's see what it looks like. As you can see, it's already having that standing effect. I've not fixed our lining, I've not turned it to the lining, but it's already looking this good. So just like you iron the main bustier, that is the way you're going to also iron the lining. Okay, my lining, I don't put wording on it. I just put my interfacing, fuse it with my interfacing, which is the paper stay. So see it, no wording, just iron it out and it's already standing. So if you want to be having that standing effect on your bustier, please follow this method. Try to iron it out. Thank you, and don't forget to share this video. Thanks.